Welcome back to our HTML session. In this session, we are going to discuss and tell you how font elements can become very useful in HTML pages. While designing any HTML pages, most of the time, developers tries to use the font elements by which we can make different types of fonts, or we can apply colors, or even we can control the size of the HTML text. So to educate you on this particular process, let us try to create a small HTML page. Here you can see that HTML head title. We are applying my new page as the title, and we have written some valuable informations within the body element. So this body and slash body, that becomes the section in which we are putting most of the contents. Now, if this particular HTML file has to be viewed in the browser, so definitely I have to open a particular browser. The browser can be anything. It can be a Internet Explorer. It can be any particular thing. So I am opening that particular browser where I have saved this particular file, and this particular file was saved with an extension fonts example.html. I have to cross check. It's quite possible the name, you can see if the file name does not match, then it may show file not found. So let me check what is the exact file name. You can open your Explorer window where you have saved this particular file. So I have stored this particular file in this particular folder. And definitely, if I can show you, it is the name of the file is surely something different. It is not exactly, you can see font example.html. Where is our mistake? The mistake is fonts. So if I remove this S from here, definitely I will get the output. So this is basically now you can see that these particular characters are not coming with standard size. Comparatively, these particular lines are coming very smaller. So how we can apply fonts on this particular section? So let us try to discuss this particular thing. Here is our original coding, so that you can go through the coding. I am freezing this particular screen for some time, and meanwhile I can say, for example, from the features of HTML and whatever listing we have made, I want to apply some font. So let's say I'm starting with font element. First of all, I would like to display, I would like to apply some particular color. So definitely I can say color is equals to any particular color. For example, I am saying color is equals to orange. So one by one, let us try to understand what kind of color effects we can apply. So we have said font color equals to orange, and definitely after /ol, we are putting a slash font. So font is also having both its opening as well as closing tags. So I am saving this particular file, whereas on the other hand, I am refreshing this particular. So you will see that now you can see features of HTML. It is coming, only this particular section is coming with orange color. Definitely with a light green background, the orange color is not very prompt. What you can do, definitely you can go for choosing some other color. For example, I am saying brown. You can write black, you can write blue, even you can write red, yellow, whatever. So I'm choosing font color equals to brown. Now, if I refresh, now you can see that the characters are coming with brown color. So this is one aspect of the font element where we can control colors. What about the size? So for size, again, I can put some changes. For example, I can say size equals to 6. So if I say like this, and if I once again come back, now I can see a larger font is available. So features of HTML and these points are coming comparatively with a very large size. You can also apply, you also mention 4, 5, 6, and accordingly, the size of the characters, I mean, the vertical height of the characters will be controlled. Now, coming to another thing that we can do with the help of font element, that is what, how the characters will look like. That is, I'm telling about exact font. So I can also add another property, say face equals to, for example, I'm saying Arial. By default, the characters, as per the browser settings, the characters are shown with some other font. Say, for example, Times New Roman. But if you write here face equals to Arial, so definitely the portion which are coming within font and slash font, these things will be displayed with Arial font. So let us try to see again. I am refreshing. And now you can see that outer look of the characters are basically changing. It is coming with Arial font. So in this way, if you now look, we have applied color, we have applied size, we have applied face. All these three things can go together with a single font element. And this is how we can beautifully apply the usage, beautifully apply the font element in designing our HTML page. Hope you have seen the entire video and you have liked it. If possible, do subscribe to our channel. We will be coming with more such useful videos on HTML. Thank you.